If them real, them good. So if you have a video and I have a WhatsApp number, when I send it to me, because I want them call my name today. You will get, the only way on the blood, they are not. Mr. You know, say them not real. That's why I'm going to say certain things for media. And that's why I'm in a blood clot talk certain things, because I know God can use it with come out of my mouth. Alright? Come now, darling there. Oniel, Nurse Brown and Tikki, come and just say Macey today. Just come and say blood clot Macey today. Tikki the back down. Make a video where you text me after say you're going to make Tikki. And come out and come read my file where you say your blood clot after me today. Tikki. Today, Tikki. Come read my blood clot file. Because me, I'm going to make sure that me teach you the most valuable lesson you will ever learn in your blood. Come on, we're a good girl, we're big something. Appreciate anything. The liar, forget 7,000. Alright, PayPal, show them. I'm going to pin the PayPal now. Screen data, hold on. The liar, forget 7,000 guys, right? So me get back my green card. Me pay him 3,000 already. Some data it help me out a little bit. And any little thing on my catch, me put it to the liar. But me want the liar work fast. And the system my blood clot repent. So I'm gonna get forgiveness from God already. But them gala after blood clot go down today. Today them 3 gala me have up 3 gala me I'll bring down today. Oniel, Nurse Brown, and blood clot Tikki. Me I go evil with them to the daughters I swear for my life. And the Tikki come out and call my blood clot name today. Me I go show blood clot Tikki say me and the girl where she really want blood clot play. Me I want her from yesterday now. Me want she run out Tikki make a video come in and do this to TikTok a blood clot. Come I go get worse than you. You go cuss me and I go fuck you over. Yeah. I don't make a blood clot though. Right this up. I don't know, me already say, me did a pick up fear, me did a ride with her, and me did a go on fear and everything look, so I don't have no loyalty, me don't own no blood clot either. You want to style me, I can style you back in the wickedest blood clot way, and who wants to me evil, I feel no blood clot problem, that, yeah. So make them run out and call my blood clot name, because Gary, me I go cool your blood clot. See the paper there, surely you get the paper data? Move on the blood clot. No, if we win the battle in America, Tikki remember say you say I go call police, so me now go lick you, and me now promising a blood clot lick, but I'm gonna lick you where blood clot hurt. Yeah. I'm gonna lick you where it blood clot hurts. Out of blood clot order. Brighten the blood clot. Are you stinking Oniel? You say all you problem for your blood clot. When you just come out and calm me name today, you don't back down. When you come within the same blood clot energy when you have. And Nurse Brown, anything you know about me dirty Nurse Brown, come talk it blood clot to them, my mate, my ex-mate. Come talk it today. Yeah, I don't want no friend from blood clot, you know. I don't want no girl come and beg out and say nothing to me either. Okay. Yeah. And my name come America now. My blood clot name will come America now. So only I hope you can prove to them say where your blood clot name. Guys, don't beg on something towards the liar, please. Who want to send something towards the liar fee? Anything you want to have, I could have a $5, $100, $200, $500, $1,000. Anything at all. Come here, the lean mouth girls cock out the chowy, hog mouth, blood clot, Tikki. See the PayPal pin there, guys. Nobody have a PayPal can tap me up. Dirty Oniel, me I call target for your drunk crow. Yeah, me I call target for your nastiness. And then I go down on the precinct, the 52nd precinct, and find out how the blood clot get extradited back to Jamaica so you can go face the murder charges. Because the blood clot, 2 period them need justice. The 2 period them need justice for them 2 underage blood clot son. So I go advocate for them the blood clot so they can get extradited back to Jamaica, go face the murder, and then you go back to the embassy and use the real name and try to get back a visa for combat drunk crow. Yes, Oniel, fuck with me today. Come here. Can a girl with a nurse that's supposed to come talk about blood clot sickness? That is blood clot. Ask the liar how to exit that. Alright, I'm going to ask the liar, my love. Because only the half blood clot go down. But for thanks, Come on, guys, the live go. I could get the live go. We need 15 more chorals, guys. Look what I'm doing on the live. 15. All who are screen record. I want to make sure the screen record the right part with them for blood clot here. Yeah, because we are going to get it blood clot technical. Anyone out of the tree call me blood clot name today. The tree now go down. Anyone out of the blood clot tree and the last blood clot chance, I'm know now call me blood clot name because I can't resist. I know now call me name because I can't blood clot resist because I have to come paint on the pictures. Remember I have to come paint on the blood clot fake portrait. Yeah, brush 3 times a week and you can't brush it every blood clot there because a dog. Very careless, Miss Steph. Nurse Brown, because Nurse Brown has seek validation and the degrees that much blood clot have, it will benefit her financial, but deep down inside, she'll search for something else. Yeah, she'll search for something else for the degrees them can blood clot gear. What the degrees them can, but look on dirty Nurse Brown, but the man challenge, just think. But the man blood clot challenge and out. Look at what Manda Virginia. Look at what Manda Virginia and a Tikki back funglina. Look at what Manda blood clot Virginia and the hog, the soul, the old hog, Tikki. I say me and no blood clot today. I say if I ever get a Hennessy for drink today, I love me rub on the whole blood clot there. I nah cuss no because me a dear on the blood clot. Me a dare you know. Me a dare you know come on show no I can be a viper too. The thing say I'm mostly good, but I can be a blood clot viper. Me gonna be a turning on the blood clot side. Cause I gonna make them well want to talk. Me well dirty Tikki come out to my file today. Tikki read me eulogy blood clot to the Tikki. Tikki come read my blood clot eulogy. Come read my blood clot eulogy to the Tikki. Tikki and me I gotta do the don't follow blood clot. You can me and the girl I gotta go to the full blood clot extent. And me I gotta be the girl if you go to the full blood clot extent, Tikki. So come read my blood clot eulogy. You get my file, down blood clot, put it on the shelf. Come read up my blood clot file today. Come read up my blood clot file today. The people they better send the lie. I wanna go give a cuss to them from early. Guys, we need one. Bumble club, I don't even see nobody live. Guys, look at now. I gotta stop the certain things, you know. I gotta chew. I gotta stop the certain things, cause I don't know what the blood clot do. That big thinking rotten girl Tikki there. Yeah, Tikki, you have 20 blood clot 3 years to catch up with me. A blood clot. You what? 21. You have 20 blood clot 3 years to catch up with blood clot me. So you're the way a blood clot back. I'm not toe to toe with you today because I want you to come read my blood clot eulogy. I want you to run out for my blood clot today. Put on your skating shoes and run out for my blood clot today. Yeah, come rain our blood clot shine. Run out for my nastiness today, girl. I'm show you blood clot. Who is Macey Balenciaga with the real and true? Macey Balenciaga grade the 2000s. Macey Balenciaga grade covered for the nastiness today. You say all you stinking Oniel, you pedophile touching Oniel, run out palm today. Run out palm today, come on, you know. Run out palm blood clot me today. I'm not stop talk about you, come on to come and talk. Tikki more you come read my blood clot file. Any file with Nurse Brown give you, and any file with blood clot Oniel give you. Come I don't know Oniel from know, but what I'm gonna get to know you Oniel, because I'm gonna make sure so I know you. Yeah. I don't have a job for blood clot lose. I don't have no blood clot license for you for lose. I'm gonna have no blood clot status for blood clot don't get. It's a nuisance, Tikki. You come to America and you come for the blood clot worse. It's a nuisance. It's a blood clot letdown. It's a disgrace. But I couldn't expect nobody better from you because I remember say hog while in the mud. And when you go and you go for wash out the pen, the hog pen, them prefer when it's dirty and muddy. I remember you hog a cousin. Remember you pig a cousin. Yeah. You pigs a cousin. Cousins, first cousins to maybe sisters or brothers. Because the things that I have one upon block, Tikki your own words I gonna sink you. Dirty Tikki, are the words that come out of your mouth, as my grandmother said, I got blood clot, the file, you can't take it back a blood clot because you say it already. I'm want you come say it again today. And your blood clot words out of your mouth. I go take down. You saw no self-destruct. You say you have self-blood clot destruct. I could save TikTok and blood clot save when I'm done with you. I could save blood clot TikTok. But I don't understand what I'm going on, sir. So you don't follow me. I could see if TikTok can blood clot save you. And I could see if the girl when you say I pay your rent, I go continue for blood clot paid for your to one to them, I go down to your blood clot level. May I take it back to blood clot basics. I can't get for grab you and rip you and shred it to pieces. So I go take it to basics with your blood clot. Today, I am 21 years old. And the body tell me, send an internet blood clot, no, because whenever confide in a blood clot. But me yet. I never confide that no blood clot girl about me. So here what? I don't want no girl. I don't boy tell me about on the internet now. I may go to blood clot far. May I take it blood clot far. May I take it real blood clot far. Because I can't get to fight them. And I can't get for blood clot to tear them up. I can't send no man upon them because I get in a problem. So I gotta take it real blood clot far. So any girl have to go down, girl have to go blood clot, go down today. I want anyone out of the track, I feel the one words out of the moment I take and conquer, I want anyone out of the track blood clot, run out and call me. Just say Macey blood clot today. I bet you make you afraid for call my name. I bet you make you blood clot afraid for call my blood clot name. Because I gotta take it back to blood clot basics. Today. That's when girl know say them girl have one upon them on a blood clot. Don't play with certain girl because at the end of the blood clot there, we're gonna take it blood clot there to the Tikki. Tikki run out and come read my file. Me hear you talk last time, so you get my file. Come read it blood clot today. Trev, give her permission for come read my blood clot. And Trev, make sure the blood clot documents what she show real. Alright. My one that I have real. I got the office for them. Make Angela Pina good man, my daughter. We are getting real blood clot nasty. We are going at the blood clot bullpen. I will not use a blood clot fist. I will head where blood clot use our mouth. Yeah. I'm not tell no girl nothing dirty to me. I say anyone out of the trap come out and call my name. From one call it, the trap go down. From one call my name, the trap blood clot go down. And nurse boy, remember you're not hard for catch because I know your birth name. Dwayne. I don't want to call the last name. Come on, you think someone a blood clot. Remember someone know your last name too. Alright. Yes, Nurse Brown. Remember when you go up and share something and comment, I'm going to tackle you, you get silent. And you do nothing, you come back and talk again. You do nothing, you come back and talk again. We're going to take it to technical. Remember say, Nurse Brown, you're going to lose the license for practice nursing because you're not supposed to have it a blood clot. You're not supposed to have it because the way you talk and talk for the media, you're not supposed to have that a blood because you walk and talk girl business and girl status. Oniel, you have to go prove to the blood police them say you're the American in your name. I have to go back